Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add PayPal checkout to Shopify store. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and then click and log in your account and then click here settings. After that click payments. You see here PayPal. Then just click here activate PayPal Express checkout. And then what you need to do, just type your email here and click next. Just connect your PayPal to Shopify, but I will not do this right now because I do not want to connect my PayPal with Shopify. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.